Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to embed a video in your hosting or website page. So let's get into it. Over at the top of your page, you have your menu items, and here you're going to tap on websites, and you are going to navigate to the website that we would like to embed this video to. So let's go ahead here and tap on edit website to the appropriate website. Our website builder has now been loaded. On the left hand side you have your menu items, and here there is a plus icon. It is the add element button. So here, once you've opened up this window, you're going to go ahead and look for video. Now it is advised that you go ahead and look for the space that you want to put this video in. Let us go ahead and put it in just over here, and we're going to click down and we're going to drag this over and we're going to drop it onto our page. Now let's close this menu item on the left. We can now click away and then click on the video again, and we can click down and move this guy wherever we want to move it. Let's move it just over here. All right, and the next thing we can do is we can duplicate, hide or show, delete, and a couple more options in that menu. The actual video itself, we're going to tap on edit video, and here you can enter the video link over here, right? So what you want to do is go ahead and find the video that you would like to embed and make sure that you are copying its URL or its unique video link, and you're going to go ahead and enter it in here. We can also upload a video straight from there, and then we can change some options such as autoplay. We can loop the video, and then you can also have the video controls show on the actual video itself. Once you're done, you're just going to tap on that X. It is now complete, and always make sure that you're going up to the top right hand side and tapping on go live if you're not published yet, or if you have already published your website, you can go ahead and tap on that button that says update, and your website will now be updated with your embedded video. Now, if you want to learn more about hosting, you can go ahead and explore our YouTube channel. We've got tons of awesome videos, very insightful and very helpful. I guess we'll see you on the other side. Peace.